Will the new Poolmate Hydro 3S clean as well as the Zima Pro that costs twice as much? We're here to find out today. Last year, I replaced my Pentair Creepy Crawly with this Zima Pro, and I really like the way it cleaned. Well, the Poolmate Hydro 3S claims to have more power and is able to clean better. Now, before I get into specs and things like that, I figure let's just go right to the bottom line. Let's throw this in the pool and see how it does. For those who do not want to watch the entire video, let's just jump to the bottom line. Here's a picture of before, and here's a picture of after. You can see that it did a great job. I have a pristine pool, and it's just as good as what I got with the much more expensive Zima Pro. Here's a more detailed look at the challenge ahead of me. You can see all of the leaves and debris down at the bottom, and in particular, the small little granules are something I worry about. Now, I'll use my net and I'll pick up the big blobs like that because I don't want to fill up the container on anything that I'm using to clean. So that's what I got out. There's still plenty left in here to make this a good test. There is an app you can use to control this, just like there is with the Zima Pro, but I find that I don't really need it. With either of these machines, you should just be able to turn them on and throw them in. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to turn it on, and it's going to be set to auto. And the way you change it between one setting and the other is you repeatedly turn it on and off. The Hydro 3S took off and running, and it did a great job of covering the entire pool. You can see that it's sucking up the leaves as it goes, and it seems like the random pattern is working okay. It climbs the walls, gets up on the ledges, but it does have a little bit of a problem on the ledges and the stairs in the back. So let me show you what I mean. Note that it can climb up the wall just fine, but once it hits the lip that defines the ledge or the stairs that I'll show you in a minute, it doesn't really get all the way over there. You can see it in the back right here. It kind of goes up and hangs. So at the end of the day, just jumping ahead, these ledges and the stairs were not cleaned. So would the Zima Pro do any better? I'll show you in a minute. Here it is trying to get up the stairs. You can see it approaches just fine, hits the lip, moves up over the first stair, but then hesitates, isn't able to move all the way up the stairs, and then drops back. Now, the interesting thing that I'll show you on the Zima Pro is that even though it went up the stairs, it still didn't get all the dirt. So I'm not sure that this matters much. The bottom line with either of these machines is you need to take about 5 minutes with a brush and knock all the debris that's on a ledge or the stairs down to the bottom of the pool, and then everything is going to get cleaned up just fine. Other than the issue with the stairs and the ledges, how did it do? Well, the proof is in the pudding. Look at this. It picked up all that debris that was on the bottom of the pool. I am really happy with the way this thing performed. Here is what it didn't get that we're going to check out to see if the Zima Pro can do any better. But you can see it missed a lot of leaves and dirt that are on the stair steps. It's pretty clear that the Hydro 3S could not get up and get on these ledges and steps here in my pool. So the question is, will the Zima Pro that costs twice as much do a better job? Here's the answer on the ledge. The Zima Pro can get right up over that lip, but when I look at the result, the dirt's still there. It doesn't really suck it up. Now look at the stairs. It gets all the way to the top, but the problem is that the angle prevents the suction, even with this powerful Zima Pro, from cleaning it up. I just ran a full cycle with the Zima Pro. Let's see what it picked up that the Hydro 3 missed. Just a little bit of stuff got missed. That little bit of dirt came from the stairs, but it basically missed everything on the stairs. Do you really want to spend another $700 for basically the same result? I don't. So one of the things I really like about the Hydro 3S is that it is so light. With this thing, it is very heavy, the battery is heavy, and I actually made a cart so I could drag it around the yard to get it from my shed to the pool. The other couple things that make the Hydro 3S great is the deep sea construction of the interior. It's stressed to be usable over 600 feet deep. I don't think you're going to have a pool that deep, but that tells you that the motors in this thing are going to be pretty reliable. Another thing I like is that there is no cord on this. It just makes it a lot more compact, and it's a lot easier to store. You don't have to find a place for this and all the heavy cabling that goes with it. It does come with an app, but I don't think you really ever need to use the app. Is that you have to use the hook that comes with this to hook it right here to pull it out of the pool, whereas with the Zima Pro, it'll drive itself up to the edge, raise itself up, and you can grab it out. And it needs to do that, of course, because it's heavy. This thing is light. So what kind of pool size is this thing appropriate for? Well, the manufacturer claims that it's good for a pool up to 40 by 40 feet. I don't think you've got a pool that big in your backyard. So combine that with the deep sea rated motors, and it does have some intelligence built in here to make sure that it does clean the entire pool floor, and it runs up the walls. And you can see from what I showed you earlier on my pool that it sucked up all those leaves, no problem at all. And I think that's because the filter basket is a lot larger and is easier to contain all the big leaves. Now, if you have a big pile, you still need to go get those with your net. No need to fill this thing up. But for random leaves scattered all over the bottom of the pool, I tell you, this is the way to go. So how does it get all those leaves in there? Well, it's got a dual centrifugal pump that's fairly powerful. You know, the Zima Pro pump is powerful too, but again, you're getting this thing for half the price of what you're paying over here. So the bottom line is, if you don't want to spend a fortune, Hydro 3S is the way to go, and we'll take another pass to look at the pool so you can see the great job that it did. Here's another look. You can see that it did a great job on the pool. I will have to take my brush to the ledges, but bottom line, it did a great job. Thumbs up.